What's up, you guys? We're headed out to the Rocky Mountain Project, I believe. Ain't that right, Steve?
That's right.
We're going to be going. We're going to see if we can't catch a little bit of crappie, see how the bass are biting. Um, no really clue what the water's going to be like. It's been raining for the past like 3 days. Me and Steve been busting butt at work, trying to get the day off. He's been planning on fishing ever since he started working with me. It's been like, what, 6 months now?
6 months.
6 months. So this is our first trip together, my first trip on video. Let's see how this goes. Catch y'all there.
I don't know.
Singing too hard?
You
singing too hard?
Be.
Hey guys, so the old Rocky Mountain Project let us down.
Typical project.
Typical project. No luck at all. Didn't even bother shooting any footage, wasting time and y'all's time. So we're gonna go try and I found this place on the maps called Johnston Lake. Don't know if it's private or not. We're gonna see maybe if they'll let us fish it, or we're gonna try and fish it until we get caught. Either way, if it doesn't go as planned, there's a river boat ramp just across the street basically. So all else fails with that, we'll go over there, give it one last shot before we go back to work tomorrow. Catch something. I don't have my I don't have a mountain sticker.
What?
I need your mountain sticker right there. Oh. Nice little smallie. Put the boat in the water.
Why are they biting on the land?
You go over there to the sweet spot. That's Wilbur's dog. Rocky, you like this? Yeah. Man. Yeah, they are down there, son. Oh man, he lit me up too. They're down that deep water. Bring the boat back around that way. Huh? No, I missed him. Turn the power up a little bit. Get out of here. Just pointed sideways. boat. Did he? Got him that time. All right. So, my first fish of the day is a little guy, little tiny thing there. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. That's
he
doubled up.
Look, he doubled up.
Doubled up. Come here.
Yours is bigger than that.
That's what she said.
But he's still doubled up.
Doubled up. That's still a little small one, not even a pound. Good fight, good fight, good fight.
Five.
4 for me. I think you got like 2 more than I do. You got 5 or 6.
Still going strong with the same one.
Hey, chartreuse, baby. Oh, we gotta catch one and try out the new, no matter how big he is, gotta try a new scale out.
He's got to be at least a pound.
We gotta try it out. Oh my God, the grass. I get out of that spot. I'm about to lose this worm. So we go over here. That one's toast. Who's it gonna be, Steve? Who's it gonna be? About time to add a little line on here. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, it hurts. There, he's back. He's back. Oh, 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 oh. Got him. Got him. Come here. I didn't know this was going to show up on the scale, Steve.
You said you got to try them out.
I'll try it. I'll try him. We'll see. Let's see if this little guy shows up on the scale here. Just gotta try it out. Old Berkeley. Walmart special. Zeroed up. We're at 10 ounces. Not even a pound.
A little over a half.
Now, a little fella. 10 ounces. Now, you gotta beat that, Steve. See, we could have had a weight challenge today. That's our next one. We'll do a weight challenge next day. Total, you wanna do total weight or single fish weight?
Yeah, the way we've been catching today, total weight would be better.
Whole, we can do a total weight in Panama too. In 2 weeks, guys. We're going to Panama City Beach for 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. All right. Sorry about that. Battery died on us. So, oh, we need to take the drone out. Yeah, we'll wait on a little better day for that. But what we were saying though is we're leaving in 2 weeks to go to Panama City for 2 weeks. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing while we're down there. A little saltwater. See if we can't come into something. Maybe do a catch and cook. What do you think, Steve? Catch and cook. I'll meet up with one of my buddies, Todd, down there and go out on his boat. And may just do some pier fishing. That's what I love to do down there. It's a lot of fun. Nighttime. Be working in the day, so come up with something. Definitely do a total weight catch down there. Let's see what old Steve's looking. Steve can handle it or not. I don't know.
I don't know. Getting a little old.
Getting a little old. Yeah, you can see he's been sitting there the whole day.
Somebody's got to hold this seat down.
Thinks it's his captain's chair. He's just gonna sit around all day. Oh snap! All right, fair enough. Fair enough.
First cast with little critter.
See what you can beat. You gotta beat 10 ounces, Steve-O. She zeroed up. See what you got.
11.
11 ounces. Oh,
That's
man.
what's up right there. Big 11-ounce trophy.
All right. Well, making it tough on me, huh?
Ball's back in your court.
Gotta shut the little man up. First cast, too. Oh, the swim bait. And I told him that wouldn't bite on.
How you turn the thing off?
Press and hold power.
Let's see if we can do that again.
God almighty. You twisted?
No. Bad finger, I guess.
Better than a stinky finger.
Yeah, I'll go for that. Nice shot.
You liked that, didn't you? Keep pulling, keep pulling. Well,
They're waterproof if you don't go over ankle deep. Hey,
I didn't expect you to stand all the way up there. I thought you were just gonna step right there and step over the
I'm
tailgate.
stepping into the bed with you.
Daggone, Steve.
We're all good. I'm only wet from the nuts down.
Oh, Lord.
You had to have something.
Yeah.